Gmecc. Gmecc shit, no whack shit. You already know what the fuck. Yeah. I want a grand bitch, fuck your man.
What?
I let him eat the kitty, now he wanna link again.
Yum.
Told him to come over, put my bestie on his friend. I don't wanna date, I ain't no Barbie, you ain't Ken.
Bitch.
He know that I'm a gangster, so he just bought me a gun. Put this pussy in your face, and you bet not fucking run. All you bitches broke, you the type to suck and fuck for fun. Told him please don't waste my time, if you ain't gon' make me come.
Facts.
Bitch, you's a lane, stay in your lane. I got so much hoes, you should call me Daddy Kane. Beating on these bitches like my name was NBA. I caught the bitch lacking, bet she thought it was a game.
Bow, bow.
And I just bought a new whip. I'm like, fuck my old nigga, I got me some new dick. Pull up in some new drip. Every time he call, I pick it up like, nigga, who's this? He said he got my new number, I'm like, nigga, lose it. I might make him stupid. Say he got a stack for me and I might make him use it. No, we cannot link. Sorry, baby, I'm a new bitch. Eat me like some cool whip. Her, she want the recipe. Ask me how I do this.